car won't start and making clicking sound. If your car won't start and you only hear a clicking sound, your battery is probably dead. Most people wait hours for roadside assistance or try asking strangers for jumper cables. Instead, keep a small portable jump starter in your trunk. You can start your car yourself in just a few minutes without another vehicle. Mine also has a built-in air compressor, which is great for low tires too. Follow the car friend for daily tips. I've linked the one I use in the description.